Today's episode is 63's reaction to Himawari snore gets replaced with number block 58 snore, and this video has been requested by Choni Wangmo. Enjoy the video.
Greetings. I'm 63. I'm going to do a reaction on Himawari snore gets replaced with number block 58 snore. Unfortunately, Himawari, you're getting your snore replaced alongside with Akari, Kyoko, and Sekiriko. Let's see how your replacement goes, but anyways, let's get straight into the reaction. Himawari, I bet that you're okay. Thank goodness it ended so quick. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 123.